Doversky Electric Fireplace, wall-mounted fireplace, stove heater, fireplace heater, electric stove. About this item. The heater is extremely quiet. Run it for hours. Maybe the fan makes a slight hum, but not at all intrusive. Very effective and quiet fireplace. Barely can hear it running as little noise from 5 or 6 feet distance. Safe from overheating. A thermal safety cutoff switch is included to prevent the appliance from overheating and turns the fireplace off should it happen to fall over. Realistic LED log flame effect. Use it with the heat function or independently for an attractive visual with adjustable brightness, providing the ambiance of a gentle rolling fire all year long. Budget-friendly, maintenance-free. Our fireplace is a cost-effective, clean energy alternative, providing the warmth and visual ambiance of real flames, but without the cost and cleanup. Toasty fireplace. There's no better feeling than relaxing by the fireplace on a cold winter evening as you sip a steaming cup of hot cocoa. Stay warm this winter with the electric fireplace. Alright, let's dive into the details of this amazing product. It's designed with you in mind, offering unparalleled performance and reliability. You know, it's crafted from the highest quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Plus, its sleek design isn't just about looks. It's functional too, making it easy to use in your everyday life. Trust me, once you experience this product, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So go ahead, give it a try, and see the difference for yourself. Size 89 by 32 by 62 centimeters. Portable electric stove is very safe to use. With our electric stove, you will not have to worry about exposed flames, dangerous pilot lights, or the stove surface becoming hot to touch. The stove surface stays cool to the touch, which means it is safe to operate around children and pets. Easy to use with the flick of a switch, this stove provides heat and light in homes without the worry of naked flames or burner fuel. It provides well-distributed heat without affecting the humidity of the air, sets a great calming ambiance. The dual mode feature allows the fireplace to operate without heat or flame, making it suitable for use in all seasons. Gorgeous flames create a cozy atmosphere of a traditional fireplace. This electronic fireplace emits lifelike flames that emulate a real fire. Please allow 1 to 2 centimeters error due to manual measurement. Please make sure you do not mind before you bid. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us by email. We will reply to you within 24 hours. We have been adhering to the customer first service purpose. Thank you for your support. Simple operation and attractive design in every room. The gentle light deceptively imitates real flames and smoldering logs and instantly spreads a cozy, romantic atmosphere. For bedrooms, study rooms, airports, cafes, tea houses, bars, dining venues, and entertainment venues. Included, one fireplace.